Good morning, students. So, today we'll continue with our fourth chapter. We have already talked about aims and objectives of adaptive physical education, organization promoting adaptive sports. इसके अंदर हम लोगों ने स्पेशल ओलंपिक भारत और पैरालंपिक्स और डीपलंपिक्स इससे रिलेटेड बात कर ली है. Now, today's our topic is concept of inclusion, its need and its implementation. Now first come to the concept of inclusion. ठीक है. First we are studying in physical education. So I will tell you inclusion in physical education. Students with disabilities participate in all activities equally with other students. Those are normal students and those are able students, totally differently able students. They both are participate in all physical activities like sports or other activities, physical activities. They all are participate equally with other students. It's called inclusion in physical education. And in other way, we can understand normal students and special needs students learn while sharing the same physical space and interacting socially and academically. They are interacting socially भी होते हैं और academically भी होते हैं. This education is very different. Able students are educate with normal students. उनको क्या कराया जाता है? Normal students के साथ में they all are doing all activities with the normal students on the same roof. एक साथ उनको whatever they are doing, normal students, different totally able students are also doing same thing. They are trying to do all these things. If they are normal students are doing study, so they are also studying. If they are playing, they are also trying to play with them only. All the works they are doing together. Now we'll come to the need of inclusive education. Why we need inclusive education? हमें इस चीज़ की ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ी कि डिफरेंटली एबल्ड स्टूडेंट्स और जो नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट्स हैं उन लोगों को साथ में इनका इंक्लूजन स्टडी करने से में उसकी नीड क्यों पड़ी. सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. इफ नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट्स एंड स्पेशली एबल्ड स्टूडेंट्स आर डूइंग things, doing study, doing playing, so it is interesting also. Inclusive education provides perfect training of real life without disabilities, and normal students learn to interact and work collectively. Now first to the come point. इसमें हम लोग काफ़ी सारे पॉइंट्स क्लियर करेंगे. For self-esteem, for better social skills and communication. Third is greater sensitivity, for better understanding of strength and weakness, for better sense and belongingness, higher academic achievement. So first come to the for self-esteem. Like self-esteem सबकी होती है, self image सबकी होती है. Like you are also having your self image and I'm also having self image. सबकी अपनी अपनी एक सोसाइटी में इमेज होती है. So every individual has self image. Those are differently able students. Individuals are less stronger. They are less stronger according to normal students. In this field, indicate that after inclusion in a regular school, the students with disabilities have shown improvements in self confidence. उनका self confidence high होता है. If they are anything, if they are doing something work with normal students, automatically उनका confidence high होगा. So what they feel in society, they feel good. If they are equally doing work with normal students, they develop confidence in their ability in society also. Now second point is for better social skills and communication. Now what happened? They feel exhilarated about being a part of regular community. Exhilarated means they feel happy. They feel happy. They work together with normal students. So a number of cases studies shows that children with autism demonstrate changes in their social behavior while being with other children without disabilities. Their communication skills are also improved. उनके social behavior में changes होते हैं. उनकी communication skill develop होती है इससे. काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें वो लोग आपस में सीखते हैं और उसको अप्लाई करते हैं. Now come to the next, greater sensitivity. It is students without disabilities become more sensitive by learning along with students with special needs. What happens? They understand how words can hurt. है ना, उनको पता चलता है हम क्या बोल रहे हैं, उनको क्या अच्छा लग रहा है, वो क्या फील कर रहे हैं. So they understand how words can hurt them. They practice patiently and learn empathy. Now empathy means the ability to understand and share the feeling. Come to the fourth point, for better understanding of strength and weakness. Every individual has strength as well as weakness. सबकी अपनी अपनी कुछ वीकनेस होती है, कुछ अपनी स्ट्रेंथ होती है. लाइक नॉर्मल पीपल की वीकनेस होती है और उसकी ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथ होती है. वीकनेस सब में होती है, बट नॉर्मल बच्चों में क्या होता है, उनकी स्ट्रेंथ कैपेसिटी ज़्यादा होती है एंड दे आर हैविंग लेस. So they learn to appreciate these differences. Fifth is for better sense of belongingness. A better sense of belongingness among students with and without special needs teaches that value of another human being. Value of another human being. They are enjoying feeling of belongingness, being loved, having relationship and friendships with students without special needs. वो लोग आपस में साथ रहते हैं तो दे भी फ्रेंड्स बनते हैं, आपस में एक दूसरे की केयर करते हैं, है ना, आपस में अच्छे रिलेशंस बनते हैं. दे ऑल्सो नो हाउ टू मेक गुड रिलेशंस. Students without special need also shows increased awareness to tolerance and better understanding of other students with special needs people. Sixth is higher academic achievement. It is beneficial for the students with special need because what happens, students have done academically, these kind of students have already done academically well than in exclusive education. Now next is implementation of inclusive education in India. This program is enjoyed by all individuals. This is very interesting program actually. So how we implement of inclusive education in India. So many points are there. राइट टू एजुकेशन, कंडक्ट वर्कशॉप्स के थ्रू, रेगुलर एनालिसिस के थ्रू, डिसीजन मेकिंग प्रोसेस, ट्रीटेड इक्वली, suitable examination system, good relations between families or students, student related materials, inclusive education should be flexible, develop strategies के थ्रू हम लोग अप्लाई करते हैं. Now come to first point, right to education. Now children receive education and through inclusion addressing children with special needs is also taken care of. हमको जो राइट एजुकेशन है वो प्रोवाइड कराने की कोशिश करते हैं टू मेक इफेक्टिव इन ऑल रिलेटेड सब्जेक्ट्स. नाउ वर्कशॉप टू बी कंडक्ट, सो मैनी हम लोग काफ़ी सारी वर्कशॉप्स के थ्रू कंडक्ट करवाते हैं और उसके थ्रू उनको एजुकेट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. नाउ एनालिसिस ऑफ स्कूल्स का बार बार एनालिसिस करते हैं. उनका कैरिकुलम्स, उनकी क्या एमिनिटीज़ हैं, क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं, उसके थ्रू एनालिसिस के अंदर हम लोग ये सारी करते हैं. इफ़ द पॉसिबल विद द फ्लेक्सिबल अप्रोच टीचर्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स आर एबल टू recite of programs that they feel during the teaching learning process. Now decision making process. Next is they make partner in the education so that the collaborate effort would result in effective inclusive education for now treated equally. इसमें सबको समान रूप से देखा जाता है, नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट्स को और डिफरेंटली एबल्ड स्टूडेंट्स को. सो दे बी रिकग्नाइज्ड बाय देयर टैलेंट, कैपेसिटी एंड एबिलिटीज. नाउ एडजस्टमेंट, दीज इंक्लूड्स बुक्स, स्टेशनरी, devices, audio, टेक्स्ट बुक्स, ऑल टेक्स्ट बुक एक्ट्स. नाउ एग्जामिनेशन सिस्टम कैसा होता है इनका एग्जामिनेशन सिस्टम इज़ वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल. Children with special needs to be placed to meet the challenges and changing trends in special education. Curriculum should carefully design programs so that curriculum is made parallel for all the children with or without special need. Good relation between families of student, their disabilities and without disabilities without disabilities. That kind of students without disabilities will also develop good relation among themselves. They help in creating an appropriate environment to implementing inclusive education. नेक्स्ट इज़ मटीरियल्स प्रोवाइड. उनको बहुत सारे मटीरियल्स प्रोवाइड कराए जाते हैं स्कूल से रिलेटेड, यूनिफॉर्म्स, बुक्स, स्टेशनरी, ट्रांसपोर्ट के, और जो भी स्कूल से रिलेटेड होते हैं वो सारे इक्विपमेंट्स, जो भी सारे मटीरियल्स होते हैं उनको प्रोवाइड कराए जाते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज़ एजुकेशन शुड बी फ्लेक्सिबल. इनकी एजुकेशन फ्लेक्सिबल होती है, हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल्स नहीं होते हैं. This field should be reflected in this teaching method and materials provided to be students with disabilities. Next is strategy. different इनकी strategy बनाई जाती है. इनमें कैसे इंटरेस्ट डेवलप किया जाए, इंटरेस्टिंग strategy बनाई जाती है ताकि they can also take interest, they enjoy the program and they enjoy the education also.